Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM. PJ here, and a Happy New Year. It's the 1st of January, start of a whole new season, and we're here with a new little project. And we've got a Matchbox Superfast number, I think it's 46 BMW 3 litre. I'll have a closer look when I put the some magnifying glasses on, but this is what we're going to be dealing with today. Nice little easy one, hopefully, to break in the new year. So let's get the tools out and I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. Welcome back, folks, to the reveal of our Matchbox BMW 3 litre CSL. Fairly simple little model, this one. I haven't gone overboard with highlights. It did present its own unique problems. The wishbone snapped that holds the two doors in place, so I had to get a piece of spring steel and create a new one. I also had to create two new axles using KS steel tubing and some hat pins to create the wheel hub nuts. I've kept it original. The orange kind of sets it off, and not a great deal to do to the chassis, to be honest. It was just polish it up and give it a good clean, and it looks pretty good. I'm quite pleased with this one. So there we go, the first one of the year. Hopefully there's only another 51 to go, with some specials in between. I want to try and do some bigger models this year, so looking forward to doing that. Thanks to everybody who's continuing to support the channel, who have recently joined the DMC. That's expanding and going well. So I wish you all, as I say, a happy new year, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.